Hello all, this is Tarun. In the last two videos, I was explaining the common issues in Nuke regarding creation of custom tabs in project settings. But here, I'm going to show you an alternative way. First, let me open the Nuke. I'm going to my Explorer, Foundry. Let's take the version 12.1 version 1. Okay. I'm going to import the video. See, this is the video. I'm closing this and I'm opening my script editor. I'm dragging the properties panel to here. Actually, this was my previous video script. You can find the description of the previous video. So when you click the read node and when you run the script and see the project settings, see you have created the custom tab of metadata of this read node. So when you close this comp, still you can find this custom tab, right? So to fix this, I have also given the Python script, right? This is the one way. Here in this video, I'm going to show you an alternative way. So either you can use that method or you can use this, which I'm going to explain now. I'm clearing this and also I'm clearing this custom tabs. I'm deleting all of this. So again, I'm importing the video. See, our ultimate aim is to store the metadata of this read node in project settings, right? So I was thinking that instead of storing the metadata in custom tabs, I'm searching for an alternative way. So I have tried storing the metadata of this read node in new panel. So let's create the panel, equal to new dot panel. So when you run this script, so it will give you a panel like this. So I was storing the metadata of this read node in this panel. So when I try to store the metadata of this read node in this panel, it's storing only in RAM. So when I closed and reopened the Nuke, we cannot be able to get the data from this panel. So it's not storing in this cycle underscore p001 workfile. It's storing only in the RAM. So it's not an ideal way to store the metadata in Nuke panel. So later then I came up with an idea to store the metadata in command section. See, whatever you are changing anything in project settings, it will store in this workfile. So we can make use of this command section. See, whenever we are creating any custom tabs in project settings, it will store it as a dictionary in this workfile. So I'm doing the same, but I'm storing in this command section. So let me show you that. I'm clearing this. I'm pasting my script. So this is my script. For the demo, I'm just storing the frame range and the total frames of this read node. So as usual, I'm storing the selection in the variable node. And then for getting the frame range, this is the first frame and this is the last frame. And for the total frames, I'm subtracting the first frame from the last frame and I'm adding with 1. So let's print. So let's print only these two. Print frame range and print total frames. I'm running only this. I have to select the node and I'm running this again. See, I get the value as frame range is 1 to 61, so it's 1 to 61, and the total frames are 61 frames. See, when I view this, see, it's totally 61 frames. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to store this in a dictionary in this format. So when I select the node and when I run the whole script from here, and when you check the project settings, see, we have stored it as a dictionary. We get the frame range and we get the total frames. So first of all, I'm storing these two in a dictionary format. Actually this is a string, and I'm converting this string as a dictionary using eval function. So when I print root, I'm clearing this. See, we got a dictionary here. We cannot be able to store the same dictionary over here because it's a single line, right? And also it's not much readable, right? So I'm importing the JSON. So with the function json.dumps, we can store in this format, and I'm giving the intent as intent 0 for now. So for now I'm just giving the intent as 4. And now when I run the script, see, we have 4 spaces here. So when you give 4, it will have 4 spaces at the beginning. So I don't want the spaces, so I'm giving 0, and I'm running the script again. We don't have any spaces here. And the final thing is, I am disabling this knob. The reason why I am disabling the knob is, maybe there is a chance by the artist to edit in this comment section. So for that I am just disabling this comment section, which means I am locking this comment section. And also I haven't seen that none of the artists are using the comment section. Whenever the artist wants any comments to be stored, usually they use sticky notes, or else they will use labels in the notes, but rarely they use comment section in project settings. So for only that I am using the comment section in project settings. And also when you want to get the data from this project settings, let's open the new script editor. I'm just clearing all of this. Just when you write root of frame frames, I'm just printing this, and also I'm printing the total frames. Root of total frames. See, now you got the same. And also if you want the entire metadata, you can clear all of this and print root. So you got all the metadata in the dictionary. So this is another way I would like to share with you all. I hope you have learned something useful in this video. Thanks for watching.